There's an update by Hamster. Now remember they've already told us that their airdrop is scheduled for September 26th. So and they just put an update. Remember one sign that the project will really pay is they won't stress your life. And so now they've just made it easy to qualify for the airdrops. Well, not easy, but you still have to do some work. So look, they gave all the criteria they're going to use for the airdrop, and it's very important that you pay attention to those criteria so that you can get the airdrop. So let me log in now to my Hamster bot so that you see what they want. So it's not just about the coins you collect. It's not just about the profit per hour you get. There are other things too. Okay, so they want you to do your daily rewards. From now till that 26, make sure you always do your daily rewards. In fact, they made it more rewarding to do your daily rewards. If I click on daily rewards, now look at what happens. You see, week 1, week 2, week 3. So daily reward they will give you coins, skins, and keys for daily rewards, unlike before. So make sure you don't miss any of these days because they will check your streak. Streak means you did not miss any day till that 26th. So I've already collected my today for day 1. So tomorrow I'll come back. So under week 1, look at all the things I will get if I complete my week 1. So I will get about 1.16 coins, then about 3 keys, then 1 skin, just week 1. Then under week 2, if I click on week 2, you see I get more keys too. Under week 3, I also get more keys. So make sure you don't miss your daily rewards. Just log in every day, claim what they have for you that day. Remember, keys are important. Right now I don't have any keys because for you to have those keys, you have to play their games. I have not really had time to play the games, but with this I can get keys. Okay, so that's that. So number one thing you always check your daily rewards. Don't miss it till that is it. It's not that difficult. Just log in, claim the rewards. That's all. Okay? You can set an alarm. If it's gonna be difficult for you to remember, just put an alarm. Alarm every day. Maybe the time you know you'll be free. Maybe 6 in the morning or 9 in the night. Your choice. So just fix an alarm. Hamster Kombat. Just do it. Spend 30 minutes and distance. Alright. So that's that. Then the next thing that they want is when you click on the exchange, this Bybit. Mine is Bybit, just with Binance, this exchange. So I click on exchange. Then I'll click on this my name here. When I click on it, it will show me achievements, everything I've achieved under Hamster. Okay, so for now I don't think I have any skin yet. Okay, so I have to buy skins too. So it's very important you buy skins. Okay, so you see achievements here. Just click on see all. You see all the criteria that they want. So 1, upgrade cards. You can see different levels. On 10 cards, 20, 25 cards, 50 cards, up to 500 cards. So they want to upgrade your cards. Make sure that in each section, upgrade cards to level 15, upgrade cards to 25. I don't have that yet because I left Hamster for a while. Collect coins, invite friends, unlock skins, profit per hour, watch Hamster videos, subscribe to Hamster TG, special cards. So make sure that in each section you fulfill some of these cards in each section. So like this one where I have upgrade cards to level 12, 25. I don't have anyone at all. So I have to make sure that I go upgrade at least 1 card or more to level 25. It will cost me some coins, yes. And according to what I heard, the KYC card is the cheapest to upgrade. So make sure you do it. So I'll still upgrade more cards. Maybe if I can get to 200, fine. Then upgrade to level 15. I'll still improve on those ones. If I can get to 50, fine. But upgrade card to level 25, I will still try that. If I can get up to 5 to upgrade, it's cool. Collect coins. Collect your coins. You know how you collect your coins? Simple. Your profit per hour. So the more you upgrade cards, the more your profit per hour increases, the more coins you collect. Or you can spend your time tapping, which I don't do. I don't have that time. Then invite friends. So make sure you have that. Unlock skins. I only have 1, so I have to go improve on that area. Profit per hour. So I need to improve. Really need to improve. Mine is still under 2 million. So if I can get it to 3 million, I'm cool. Okay, and the more you upgrade, the more you get profit per hour. Then watch Hamster videos. Well, this one is not really complicated, just watch. Okay, so subscribe to Hamster TG. So this one, I don't think you have anything to do here. As long as you're in their Telegram group, you'll just count the number of days you've been there. Then unlock special cards, rescue team. So they give you this card you need to unlock. So just go and do it. So these are the criteria they want you to fulfill so that you can qualify for the airdrop. When you click on airdrop, you see the date. This is September 26, 2024. And look at all the criteria: passive income, that's PPH, end task, your friends, your achievements, your Telegram subscription to their Telegram group, and your keys. So these are all the things they are checking for. So please it's not just about the coins, it's not just about the profit per hour. So just try and get all these things. If you cannot remember, write them out on a paper, on a sheet of paper, and just do it. So the strategy is just set an alarm every day. So it could be in the morning, could be in the afternoon, could be in the evening, depending on you, depending on your schedules. You just set the alarm, collect your daily reward, go upgrade your cards. Remember, the target is level 15, level 25. Which other thing? Buy skins. So those are the majors. Then invite people. Then withdraw. So they've already put in some exchanges we can use for withdrawal. More opportunities will be available. So I would advise for you to wait first. So don't rush this one yet, because some exchanges may have bonuses and benefits too, like what they did in dogs. Binance gave everybody that withdrew their dogs through Binance 10,000 dogs. Everybody. Though other exchanges also had their own reward system, but it wasn't fairly distributed like the way Binance one was. So our advice is to wait yet. Usually they will tell you the deadline, so just wait. But make sure you have your exchanges. You've already registered to them and you have everything activated. So make sure you have your Binance ready, your Rabbit ready, your Bitget ready. OKX, well, we can't use it yet in Nigeria. We can't use it in Nigeria because they left and all that. So this is a new update. So they made it easy now. So please do not miss it. When it was hard, you were doing it, Abi. Now that it's easy, please do not miss it. Set an alarm. Do it. It's not hard to set alarm. Maybe I need to show you that. Go to your calendar, or just go to alarm. Sorry, clock. Sorry, clock. So I go to clock. I set alarm. Usually I'm free from 9 p.m. or so 10 p.m. So I can just set an alarm there. So I can do it in the morning also, but sometimes that morning thing does not really work for me. So I'll put 9 p.m. So repeat alarm every day. Then alarm label, just call it do hamster tasks. So that's that. So 9 p.m. every day I get notified. So please, if you're really interested in hamster, I'll advise you to do this. Thank you. And I hope all of us will get the rewards. We sweated for it, so we deserve it. Well done.